Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind happypuppytruffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a super cute new item that is available at DAISO in Japan. And I'm hoping, I don't know how quickly some of these things, change to other locations and stuff, but they have Sanrio character nail polish at DAISO in Japan right now. And I don't know if you guys are Sanrio fans or not. I'm a super huge fan, especially of Kiki and Lala. They're my favorite ever since I was a little kid. They came out right when I was just barely born. So they are so super cute and they have a ton of colors to pick from. Every one of these is just 100 yen. Now it's tiny, and so you can kind of tell from the size that I'm holding it. It's not going to last you so many multiple times, but at least I did my fingers and toes, and I'm sure these will last for a couple, at least 2-3 more times worth of that probably, even though doing double coats and stuff. So the nail polish series, there's Hello Kitty, there's My Melody, and then there's the Little Twin Stars, and they offer, I'm guessing, almost at least 10 colors for each. Maybe more. I should have taken an exact note of them. There's some base color, and then there's like an accent color. And in the case with the Little Twin Stars, the colors are all Aurora colors. So this is an Aurora purple, and it has like a polarization pearl. It's like what is this called? So I have it on my fingers now, and you can kind of see here. I'll try to zoom in better, my fingers, so you guys can see. But it really like catches the light nice, and it just reminds me so much of Little Twin Stars. I love it. And that's 2 layers, and then I put a shiny top coat base on it, so it doesn't really shine probably that much maybe when you have it on just without the base, without a top coat on. But then this is called Syrup Purple, and it's a clear color of nail polish, but that is with a tint. And I did start off just by putting this, and it looked like I was dead because my fingers were like all this weird blue purpley color, so that was not a good idea. So I started over, and then I just put it on top of this actually for my toes, and it looked like a really cool, even more purpley than this. This is more pinky lavender color. So it was a really cool effect, I thought, for sure. And the other versions, I think the Hello Kitty ones, they have ones that are like, have a shiny something is the color name, and they have gold lame in them. And then the syrup colors are there too. Just such an awesome idea, and the colors are really associative to the characters. So if you are a fan, you'll really appreciate the choices, I think, that are available. So if you know you're going to be coming to Japan soon, you probably want to check out your local DAISO and catch these while you can, because they will sell out quickly. There's a little tiny cute little thing here, and I should have left that on there, that tells you the name of the color. But just even to just have hanging out on top of your shelf, I mean, it's just so perfect, and the colors are so pretty. So definitely worth it for that. And I wanted you guys to kind of see it because they're so cute. And like I said, I don't know if they have it when I know they all have locations all over the world. I don't know how quickly something like this might be available, if it is ever. I was seriously tempted to like tell the DAISO guy that I want to buy the whole set and the stand that it's on, so that I can have the display too, because it's so cute. That would cost me probably almost $100, but that's okay. Sure. No, I'm kidding. I would never do that. But I did think about it for a second. So I just wanted you guys to see how cute that is, and I will have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come, so look for those. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.